Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about the universal selectors in CSS. So now, what does universal selectors mean? So universal selector um, selects all HTML elements on the page. That is universal. The word universal, everything. So it will select every element on the page at once, without grouping, without doing any other thing. It will just select everything. So any properties that is being written in between the universal selector is going to be the same for all. So let me show you. So now, how do we indicate the universal selector? You don't need to make use of the ID. You don't need to make use of the class. You don't need to make use of the names. You don't need to make use of anything. What you need is the star, the asterisk sign. So with your squiggles. So now, what I want to do, let me change the background color of this first. Background color, let me make use of azure. Now you see the background color has changed. Now let me change the font size. Let me say the font size should be 40 pixels. Now you see every size, every text on the website all increased. So that is the function of the universal selector. You see, everything is the same. Everything is the same. So if I decrease the size to, let me say 20, now you see everything is still the same. Now let me change the color. Let me change the color to, what did I change it to? Let me change it to brown. Now as you can see, all the colors, the text, the list, every paragraph and every other thing, the H1, everything has changed. So this is the universal selector. So let me add another features. Let me say the font family. The font family is like changing the like the characters. You understand? Let me just say like the handwriting. You understand? So let me change it to New Times Roman. Oh, this is not effective enough. So let me make something more dynamic. Sorry. Font family. Okay. Let me make use of cursive. Now you see, we have it here. Now all fonts has changed. You see, every font on the website has changed. Now you see, so this is how we can make use of the universal selector. Universal selector is used to select every component, everything is used to select all tags, all elements on the website. So on the page, on the HTML page. So that's how we make use of the universal selector. So in the next tutorial, we'll be discussing about the grouping selector. So thank you.